Listen, I know you're the #1 chick flick director in Hollywood.
I think of them as sprawling romantic epics.
You need to branch out. I got an epic supernatural love story for you. Picture this. We rip off Romeo and Juliet and set it in a zombie-filled world.
Huh, that's halfway original.
Romeo's gang is turbo pissed and grabs him. They put him in a coffin. They're gonna bury him alive, not because he banged the enemy, but because he fell in love. Romeo's gonna die and turn into a limp-dick zombie. The ultimate punishment. Juliet's like, fucketh that shit. I'm going to wasteth anyone who gets betwixt Romeo and my loins. So, Juliet has to fight her way through the graveyard.
Because Romeo was being buried alive by his own gang. I got it.
The whole thing is gonna be set in this big, spooky-ass graveyard.
These supernatural love stories always seem so silly to me.
Nah, it's no laughs here. Look, this thing has brain-thirsty zombies trying to eat Juliet. So, the graveyard's like a perfect place for my Hitchcock-style cameo. It'll be a statue.
That's an expensive cameo.
How can you put a price on art? So, then, Juliet goes down to a crypt that connects to the sewers.
What does this have to do with Romeo and Juliet's story?
Oh, it is important. Yeah, it's their romantic hideaway. They do each other down there sometimes. You know, pokey pokey. So how's that for character building?
An oasis from the chaos above. I can see it. So when I see it in my mind, like we do all these little romantic moments all over the graveyard. Do people think romance in a graveyard?
Fuck yeah, man! Come on, it's something in our reptile brains. See death, think about making life. How do you make life? Pa-pa! Bang it! We'd have these big zombies, behemoths. They'd throw pus and have jacked up arms. Basically my agent. And then there's this cool part where Julia remembers that she hid something sentimental nearby. So she uses her grappling hook to get it.
Grappling hook? Why?
Because grappling hooks make everything more badass! Huh? Juliet sees a sentimental grenade launcher.
That's sentimental?
Then we'd see mutation stations. An evil corporation made goo that reanimates the dead. How is that for pizzazz?
To me, fluff like this really distracts from what's really just a simple story of two people.
I'm trying to make the whole two lovers against all odds thing more against all oddsy. Standing between the lovers is a church.
Let me guess. Juliet has to climb over it using her superpowers.
Nice idea, but I want it to be more grounded in reality. There'd be scaffolding all around the church.
Go check it out. I'm gonna catch up eventually, lady. I'm gonna get you, ass-face. Could have sworn I saw something.
And then, Juliet sees her lover's coffin, and the gang trying to bury him.
Let me guess. She has to kill them all.
Exactly! We are totally on the same wavelength, my man!
My time.
Don't give up now.
And then the gang member's like, I'm gonna kill the hero! Juliet saves Romeo from a fate worse than undeath. She opens the coffin and, pah! M. Night Shyamalan, baby! Romeo is a mashup of all the monsters you can think of. The dude's ugly as fuck, but love conquers all. Ha-ha!
This story could only come from the mind of an old virgin.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I am a lot of things, but I ain't no virgin. And I'm not old. I just don't snort Botox every day like you.
Oh, look. Security's here.
Ah, I was just about to leave, asshole.